coming, dude.
Absolutely.
Look, put it this way. Ben is the Jace the Ace of helicopters.
That's the Jace Ace helicopter?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that fires
His
me
shirt
up.
says.
I've seen some clips.
Well, I
Okay.
was telling Alan out like Melissa, like, we need to get one of those crazy helicopter guys.
Well,
Yeah, we're ready.
Let's see it.
Turn it up.
Hell yeah, brother.
Oh, with the American flag.
she got to spool up, you know.
She's spooling up smooth.
I'm scared, dude. These things are gnarly. These are gnarly.
As long as you stand by Ben, you should be good.
I'm standing by you.
Behind me.
Smooth.
Start out easy, right?
Wow.
Yeah, right?
Oh,
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, it's not gonna be easy.
Dude, what the heck?
Holy crap! Oh my gosh!
What is this?
It sounds deadly.
That thing will kill you.
Whoa!
Oh! It's backwards. Dude,
Oh
it's
my gosh!
Yeah, I thought there was a mosquito on my back.
Holy
there,
crap,
but I think it
it's
was this guy. How is it flying like that? Easy, Ben. Easy, buddy. Oh! The noises it's making
Are insane. Way harder to film than a plane.
What? Did you reverse? Brother!
Oh my gosh!
Oh! I think he's gonna crash.
Yeah.